Hi guys, Hui Raptor here with a follow-up of the Black Widow assembly. Now it's time for its first print. But before we start, I want to change a few things with my hot end. As you can see, the cooling fan throws all the air not only to the heatsink, but also to the heat block and nozzle. And that is not a good thing. So I decided to print a fan duct for this cooling fan using my tarantula. You can find the link in the video description. But it still needs some work like tapping the holes, so I decided to go ahead and print without it. I also used my tarantula to print a layer fan duct. I will use a 40 by 40 by 20 24 volt fan. You can also find the link below. The fan is connected to the extra cable I installed during the assembly. I always prefer to print on glass, and for a good adhesion I use painter's tape. It works perfectly. I created a new machine in Cura and used most of the same settings I have with my tarantula. One important setting I had to change was the retraction distance. I had to reduce it down to 2.5 millimeters. I then loaded one of my favorite mechanical test cubes. Normally, the SD card that comes with the kit does not work as it should. I tested mine and it's no good, so I bought a new one and used this one instead. It's time to start the first print. Let's see how it turns out. and the result was pretty good, much better than I thought for its first print. I see I need to reduce the X and Y jerk as it's a little bit high. Other than that, it seems okay. Now let's print another test. I designed a hollow dual cube. It's just a couple of 20 by 20 by 20 cubes. And being a hollow model, I can measure the walls and check the extrusion. From what I can see, the walls are perfect, very smooth surface and nice corners. Now I need to check the dimensions. For X and Y axis, I have a perfect 20mm result. For the Z, same perfect result. As for the wall thickness, it should be 1mm and it's close enough. I love how this turned out. My first couple of prints were a success. I can't wait to print bigger and more complex models on this printer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.